Hello, my name's Emma. We repaired our Gtech. This is the model that we have. I watched the video on YouTube. I then sent for the part from eSpares. Watched their video first, really helpful. I thought I could do this, I can repair it. So sent for the part, which cost about £17 with the postage and packing. To buy a new Hoover would have cost us £200. Easy, just followed the video step by step, saved £180 by doing so, because a new one would have cost me £200. Just followed it step by step, took it apart, put it back together because it had like a screeching part inside. Put it back together, good as new. Money saved, money can spend on myself on a new dress. Anybody can do it. Give it a go.